Hi everyone, my name is Nthabi. Welcome to my channel.
So I'm starting off on freshly washed hair. I'm going to go in with this gel wax. You get this in coconut oil and you also get it in tea tree oil. This one gives really good hold, but this one is more oily, so I just use it for parting my lines because I don't use it for styling. It doesn't give a good hold because it's super oily. You can take out some hair here, just minimal. This will be for your edges. Wax. I purchased these rubber bands at Clicks 2 years ago. Quality was not the best. So they snap a lot. So I don't know where else you can buy rubber bands, but these are from Clicks and they were really affordable. Wax. Gel. Some gel. So after that, you take this one. My one problem with these hairbands is that they snap a lot. So one thing I do is I place them in boiling water and put in some oil, boiling water and oil, and I let them simmer in there for a few minutes. So that usually helps give them that good elasticity, but sometimes they just keep on snapping. I went and dampened my hair with water. So all I'm doing now is going in with my hair gel. More gel. If you don't want to do your edges, you can just brush everything in. Also, the reason I'm always doing my edges is because they help camouflage my thin hairline. I have a really thin hairline. I've always had a thin hairline. So doing the edges just helps camouflage all of that. So I'm going in with my wax now. So I go over this about 3 times until I'm happy with how it looks. So today I'll be using this darling 1 million braid. It's hot water. This retails for $19.99 at Shoprite. I've already stretched it because I was intending on using it for another hairstyle, but that did not happen. So just stretch it out to the best of your ability. Create about 3 braids on each side and make sure that they are really tight so that your curls are defined. I made 6 of them. I'm going to put this in here and add boiling water and let it dry overnight. So I've boiled the braids and this is how they look. So these curls are from 2 braids. Now I'm just going to unravel the others. So this is how it looks. All I did was trim some of the ends, nothing much. So when I hold it like this, you can see that one side is a bit longer than the other. This is shorter and this is longer. So you don't place it like this. You place it one on top of the other. Long in front, short at back. So when you flip it, the long is at the back and the short is on top. Use ribbons to create somewhat of a base. You can create a braid here if you like. Something that's going to be stable. Long and this is the short. You hold it like this. You should have a ribbon that has really good elasticity so that you can wrap it around a few times. See, that's the first one and this is the second one. So this is the piece that's out. It doesn't really matter which side you take it from. And then you wrap it around, keeping this in position. Use my got to be glued frizz spray to help stick this on. You can use your Perfect Touch spray. Just gonna braid this
If you have made it this far, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and like and share. I'll see you on my next one. Bye.